Hello Taurus, this is Akansha Kumar from Antanana Tarot Reading presenting your July readings for this year. So these are my cards, the Healing with the Angels sweet and cute and very beautiful deck. You can see the pictures are so very beautiful, so colorful. Yeah, my favorite soulmate card. Oh, this card popped up for you. Actually, two cards popped up for you. So, we'll be taking these two cards into consideration. So, yes, angels, God, everybody is helping me to give your readings. Okay, so let's start with your reading. So, these are the two cards that popped for you. One is the Guardian Angel card and the other is the Friendship card. Okay, so starting with the Friendship card. So friendship is anyways very important for everybody who is living in this universe. Friendship doesn't mean only that you need to be surrounded by your age group people, but friendship also means that you should be connected to yourself. You should be connected to everybody who is around you, even if this everybody would include your mother, your brother, your father, your sister, your soulmate, your friends, or anybody who is there in your life. You need to be good to everybody. You need to be very true with everybody. Whatever we feel, we definitely share with our friends. When we are like very small, approx around the age of 8 to 18, we come across various people. At this time, our mind is not developed that much that we can think about jealousy, anger, grief, sadness. Only if my friend is not giving me a chocolate, that would be the only thing that would matter to me. I would be angry with my friend if he is not giving me something which I want, if he is not spending time with me. So these are the very minor issues which after growing up we feel as if, oh God, what we are doing right now. All the time we are in competition with others, we are thinking about growth, we are in fear that this would happen, that would happen. So all of the time we don't find people who are true to us and whom we are true to. We actually hide ourselves behind the mask saying that yes, I am fine, but we are not. But when we are kids, we usually don't do this thing. We share our things to our friends, we open up with them, we connect with them, we tell them what is happening in our life, whether we are happy with something or not. If we don't like somebody, our friends also don't like the same person. But when we grow up, things really change in everybody's life. People are more into politics, people are very manipulative. So this actually makes us heart in fear that it feels lonely, that nobody is around us, nobody is with us. There is a lack of support, we cannot trust anybody. So by this card, I would say that you need to be the small kid again. Just like in the pictures, you can see the kids are playing. So there are kids, they are enjoying their time. Although they are doing their own work, they are not participating with each other, they are not interacting with each other. But yes, you can see that they are doing their own work and they are very happy with it. So this card strongly says that yes, we are busy in our own lives, but even if we are not talking with somebody who is in our same room, even if we are not in contact with our parents, if we are in a long distance with them, we are working somewhere, they are staying somewhere, or any such reasons for which we are away from our loved ones, we should be in contact, we should be happy, we should feel happy for them, we should feel happy for everybody who is in our life, who is a part of our life, who is a part of our small world. So we need to be good to everybody, we need to be very nice, very polite, very gentle with everybody. you just have to be friends with yourself and every other person in your life, everybody who crosses you also. That is the thing which this card is actually telling me. So guys, stop thinking about competition, stop thinking as if this entire world is not yours, everybody is just not trustworthy. Don't think such way. Just feel as if this entire universe is in your support. Everybody who is coming across you, in front of you, is there to help you. And just make new friends, party with them, enjoy with them, go for outings, call them at your home, prepare good food, and just speak out whatever you have in your heart, in your mind. Just speak out. Don't keep it inside you and just make things miserable for everybody. This is only going to create misunderstandings which should not be created, and there should be no misunderstandings in any way in our life. So just go and make friends, be friends with everybody who want to enter into your life. So enjoy this time. Now the next card which was for you was Guardian Angel. As I was speaking, that sometimes we feel really lonely, we feel as if nobody is there. So Guardian Angels wants to tell you that yes, they are there for you. They are always beside you whether you can see them or not. Just like I would say that God is always there for me. And I am never alone because my God is there. He has created me. He'll take care of my life. He'll take care of my relationship with everybody in my life. And He'll make my life harmonious. So this is a strong card for you. And both of these cards actually get related in some way. That actually I would say be friend with God also. If you can't trust people, then at least trust God. He's always there for you. He's a good friend. He's your first friend. He created you. He decided to put you into this world. So we should be thankful and grateful to God and for everything He has given to us. So guardian angels are always there. So you don't need to worry at all. So this is all for July 2016. You can see your answers part some because I come up with the answers part after every 10 days. So you can put a question, you can think of a question and you will get the answers in the answers series. And this was for July 2016. So I'll be coming up very frequently. You will be able to see me, you will be able to hear me. And beside that, you can also follow me on Tumblr, on Facebook. And other than that, you can, if you like my readings, you can also subscribe. You can comment, you can put your reviews. You can also get a personalized reading for yourself by checking into the online store. And you will find various ways to communicate with me via the online store and get your personalized readings done by me. We can connect via Skype, via email, and in any way you want to connect with me. So guys, check out my online store. This is all for this time. Till then, have a great time. Enjoy yourself and take good care of yourself. And lots of love. Take care. Bye bye.